At kahit ano pang gawing nina Ion at ni Vice, talagang laging pinagdududahan ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Hindi lamang po ito casting coup, kundi isa talagang pagkalaki-laking progressive statement para sa rainbow community. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko po ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At niyo pong pinapanood ang Sunday episode ng The TT Show. Tarian at Talakayan Show with this edition. With this endorsement, kung saan sila nga ay naging brand ambassadors ng Belle Dolls, ang beauty drink mula sa Beautyderm, pinapatutayan talaga na sila Vice Ganda at si Ion Perez ay tunay na power Becky couple. Kasi po, sa aking pagkakaalala, correct me if I'm wrong, Mare, parang ngayon lang ata nagkaroon ng isang kumpanya na nag-hire as ambassadors ang dalawang lovers na part of the LGBTQ community. Number 2, nakakatuwa rin na sineselebrate ang star power, of course, ni Vice Ganda, at ang positive influence ni Ion Perez sa buhay niya na isiniwalat nung pulong balitaan para sa kanilang pagiging Belle Dolls ambassadors. At 3, sa akin, as a person who's part of the community, you cannot help but be inspired by this relationship that was received the most number of bashing, the most number of disbelief, at kahit ano pang gawing nina Ion at ni Vice, talagang laging pinagdududahan ang kanilang pagmamahalan. So parang hindi na, ngayon natutuwa ako na at this point in time, as they revealed during the press ko, na hindi na nila iniintindi ang mga bashing, and what they're into now as a couple is to just really enjoy each other, spend more time together, and then just celebrate love at its most pink. And tuwang-tuwa rin ako na first time ko lang kasi nakita si Ion in person at marinig na hindi, napaka simpleng lalaki niya lang pala. Walang, you know, alam mo naman yung mga bet kong lalaki, di ba? Hindi yung there's something so ordinary about Ion Perez, pero that very ordinariness, if there is such a word, makes him ma-appeal and makes him parang, kaya pala siya minahal ni Vice. Yun ang realization ko. As a member of the community, how do you feel about them being ambassadors of a certain product? Ayaw sumagot? Nag-tweedle lang ng tams? Walang pakialam?
Come again?
Ay, ang taray. So, ayaw niya pong magsalita tungkol sa kabaklaan ni Ion at ni Vice Ganda. Pwede natin siya
Aray ko!
usapin. Ako na lang po magmomonolog yung matapos na ang segment na to, di ba?
My God!
Dahil sa akin, bilang bading, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong kumpanya na handang isugal ang pangalan nila at wala silang pakialam sa bashing na tatanggapin nila kasi marami pa rin naman talagang taong hindi gusto ang ganitong klaseng kakaibang pagmamahalan at relasyon. So, sa akin, I would like to congratulate Ray Tan for being courageous to give this project to Vice Ganda and his partner Ion Perez na for Ray is a dream come true kasi matagal din na palang nililigawan si Vice at even before Vice becoming a brand ambassador, may mga projects na pala sila together na hindi natin alam. Na nalaman lang kagabi na katuwang niya pala si Vice sa mga pinag-aaral ng mga bata.
I have one question. What is Rhea ba yun?
Rhea Necochenan.
What is Rhea cashing in on? The popularity of Vice Ganda
Mhm.
or the uniqueness of the couple?
I think she's cashing on both.
Mm.
She's cashing on the popularity because, of course, Vice talaga naman is like the unkabogable star and the biggest gay star in this side of Hollywood. And also, she's cashing on the couple because she's very happy that they have, na merong couple na ganito, na kitang-kita talaga na they are really in love with each other.
What is the product?
It's a collagen drink, stem cell drink, mga health drinks talaga siya. Belle Dolls is a series of 4 types of health drinks. May collagen, may stem cells, tapos may dalawa pa. So yun ang mga products na naging parts sila.
So does that not give the the image na yung nila ay pang gay couple?
Ay, hindi kasi prior to this, ang product ng ang models ng Belle Dolls were the teen stars of Sparkle Artists. So parang tinaas nila yung stellar value nung maging ambassador. And of course, if this is like, I don't even think people would see is na dapat bakla lang ang umiinom. Because time and again, the product has proven to be drank by all genders and all ages. So parang nagkaroon lang ng parang mas premium. Kasi nga, it's Vice Ganda and Ion. So I don't, and if just so in case na yun na magiging dating na baka pang gay couple lang to, ang daming gay couples at ang daming bading na mayayaman. I'm sure magiging curious. Mas lalong tataas yung sales ng product. That's how I see it. It's not because, it's also very an unfair statement to say na ginawa mo pambading lang yung product. Kasi lahat naman ng products, ginagamit ng lalaki, ng babae, ng bakla, ng tomboy.
Kasi yun ang magiging perception na, kinuha. Di parang ang di ba, tawag dito, when you get endorsers, di ba dapat akma dun sa endorsers mo, di ba?
Akma naman sa endorsement simply because Ion is a health buff. And talagang siya pa nga ang nagturo kay Vice na baguhin ang kanyang diet. Ang nagturo kay Vice na mag-treadmill. Ang nagturo kay Vice na mas kailangan mo kumain ng isda at gulay. Ang nagturo kay Vice na mag-exercise. So, yung iniinom na, yung products na ini-endorse ay for health and wellness. So, magkakawing talaga yon. Hindi siya makaseparate o magkakaroon ng blur line na, this is just for gay people. Diba? Kasi, halimbawa, other products like condoms are used by all men. Diba? Hindi naman sinasabi, ang condom pang gay lang. Or even deodorants are used by all genders. Or shampoos. And health and wellness products are used by a majority of people who believes in it. Kasi, hindi naman lahat ng tao naniniwala sa mga ganon, di ba? And I believe there's a new niche, may bagong market na ma-open ang pagiging ambassador device for the product and Ion.
Do you think Ion will be hired as endorser kung hindi siya naging jowa ni Vice?
Honestly, I don't think so. To be frank about it, because we all know naman that Ion is like a beauty pageant contestant, nanalo. Pero syempre, iba yung naging naidagdag na premium sa kanyang nung naging asawa siya ni Vice. So, whoever actually, kahit hindi si Ion naging asawa ni Vice kung sino man magiging asawa ni Vice at dumating to pagkakataon na to, tiyak yun ang kasama ni Vice for this product. Nagkataon lang, si Ion ang nandyan.
Was it explained kung bakit sinama si Ion when they could have gotten
Just Vice?
Just Vice?
Kasi nga they believe, Rhea believes in their relationship, number 1. And number 2, nababaitan siya kay Ion. At nakikita niya na kind-hearted, good-hearted. At nakita niya nga yung magandang influence ni Ion kay Vice.
Ang plastic naman ng Rhea na yan.
You can say that because you have not met her, but I can vouch as far
Alam mo kasi, I'm just amazed, I'm just baffled. Why is she always with the ano, no? Siya lang yata yung gano'n.
Hindi naman. Yung mga kalaban niya, gano'n rin. Si
Sino?
Glenda de la Cruz. Kalaban niya yon.
Oo,
Lagi rin siya nakadikit
oo,
kay
lagi.
Alden, nakadikit kay Paulo.
Oo, di
Yun
ba
ang mga
parang-
models na.
Parang
Si Ross para
yun-
lang, si Ross para lang naman hindi gumagamit ng celebrities, di ba?
Oo,
Yung
parang...
isa pa, yung Lux. Isa pala competitor. Di ba si
Magkawas.
Di ba? O, di ba? Napunta
Si
si Marian
Ana.
doon.
Oo, si Ana Magkawas.
Yung mga, lahat sila actually, ginagaya yung pattern ni Ray. Na, eto siya, bida yung artista. Di ba ganun na si Glenn? Si Miss Glenda, lagi nakadikit kay Alden, nakadikit kay Andrea, nakadikit kay Paulo.
It has become a pattern, it has become
Because the very first person who did that was Vicky Bello. Diba? When Vicky Bello was trying to beautify everyone, di ba laki siya nakadikit rin sa mga artista?
Nakakaloka.
Vicky was the mother of all this. Magpakatotoo na tayo. So there's nothing baffling about it kasi it started with Vicky. Ginawa rin yan dita. Sino ba yung isang kalaban pa ni Vicky?
Kalayan?
The Kalayans, di ba? Ginawa rin yan ni Ellen.
Ellen,
Dr. Ellen Leasing.
Oo. Pero hindi masyado si
Hindi,
Ellen.
pero what I'm trying to say is, talagang,
si Ellen hindi masyadong
Hindi, pero si Vicky, di ba?
Hindi masyado.
Giveaway. Ginawa niyang pamilya ang mga artista.
Pero nauna si Ellen yata sa kanya.
Oo, pero yun, di ba?
Pero hindi yun nagpapakita na masyado.
Yun nga, pero what I'm trying to say is, what Ray Anicochetan is doing right now is an improvement of all her predecessors. Tapos, when she was able to master whatever she is doing right now, yung mga competitors niya, pilit siyang ginagaya at pinapantayan, pero hindi nila kaya.
Diba? Sino bang competitors niya?
Si Glenda, si Miss Glenda, di ba? Si Rosmar.
Wala na yung Rosmar.
Tapos si Miss Lux. Si Mangawas.
Si Ana Magkawas.
Oo, na buwan-buwan, lagi may malaking artistang nilo-launch. Di ba?
Ano lang yun, she started yung mga bags.
Di ba?
Live selling.
Talaga. So ako, congratulations na po sa akin in order to the power couple, to Vice Ganda and Ayn Perez. And of course, to Miss Ray Anicochetan for, hey, your dream has come true. You've been waiting for Vice Ganda for the longest time, and now, ambassador mo na. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And thank you for watching our Sunday episode. At of course, pwede niyo pong panoorin ang The Hitty Show tuwing Sabado at of course tuwing Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon sa Diario Tirada YouTube channel at syempre pa sa aming Facebook pahina. Magandang linggo po sa ating lahat.